Can you say 3, 2, 1?
With the song, right?
3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas.
That's what we're gonna say, bro.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Your voice is expressive, but not your face.
We
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm Camilla.
And I'm Yatbarak.
And we're supervisors at
Lush Mall of the Emirates.
Guys, what's your favorite thing about Christmas?
My favorite thing is baking gingerbread cookies and having a cup of hot chocolate.
So my favorite part about Christmas is family get-togethers, the gift receiving part, especially when I'm unwrapping them. That's really exciting. No? Yeah, that's it.
From this year's Lush Christmas gifts, which gift is your favorite?
I'm a Snow Fairy queen. I love Snow Fairy Star because of the baths.
So I love the advent calendar. It's huge. It has 25 days of the products. And that's my favorite one.
Why do you think people should come to Lush to buy their gifts and nowhere else?
First of all, we're a cruelty-free brand. We don't test on animals. Our gifts are 95% vegan and 100% vegetarian.
Our gifts are colorful, they're hustle-free, so it will save you time from packaging, and it has really lovely products. And also it's recyclable as well.
Who else does that?
Since we have a gift for every need,
let us show you some of the Christmas range for this year. Let's start off with quality treats. This gift set has Let the Good Times Roll body spray, Super Milk bath bomb, Posh chocolate lotion,
Shoot for the Stars scrub, Golden Delight bubble bar, and Yum Nug shower gel.
Plus, you can keep the tin inside.
And keep your treats or cookies. Kick off your Christmas with
stocking surprise.
So this has Sweet Wild Orange hand balm, and it also has Repeat football.
Shoot for the Stars body scrub and Yum Nug shower gel along with an organic cotton stocking. Yummy yummy in my tummy. This gift set has Yolog soap, Catch Me If You Can bath bomb,
and Yum Nug shower gel with some Humbug scrubby body butter. I love chocolates and orange, and you'll be finding them in this gift. So it has Sponge chocolate body wash and orange scrub.
If you're a gingerbread lover, you'll love Yum Nug. This has Yum Nug body spray and the shower gel. Cherry-licious Cherry Ripple.
I wonder what's inside. Let's check. Camilla. We've got the Yum Nug shower gel, the Posh chocolate body lotion. Sweet. And lastly, we've got the
Cherryish body spray.
Yes.
Shine bright like a Snow Fairy star. This gift has a Snow Fairy soap, lotion, bath bomb, body spray,
the shower gel, the body scrub, and the bubble bar.
All Snow Fairy scented. Glow Fairy. This gift has Snow Fairy Scrubby, Fairy Dust,
Snow Fairy shower gel, Snow Fairy lotion, and the Snow Fairy soap.
Snow Fairy body spray gift. This has a Snow Fairy body spray, the lotion, Snow Fairy milkshake, nice and creamy body wash.
Enjoy 3 shower gel collections for the Snow Fairy collections. The first one would be our original Snow Fairy collection shower gel, and the second one would be Super Fairy, which is the blend of Super Milk and also Snow Fairy. And the last would be the Snow Fairy glitter shower gel, which is also a glittery and amazing shower gel.
Snow Fairy Showers has 2 products, Snow Fairy shower gel, Snow Fairy body lotion, 2 treats for you to enjoy. Ta-da! We bring the Christmas vibes to you guys. Here's some gifts that will look amazing under your Christmas tree. I'll show you guys some gifts that you can enjoy for those cozy winter baths, including Snow Time gift set, along with the gingerbread house, festive bath time favorites, Christmas Eve, and the night before Christmas. Click the link below to see what's inside of these gift sets.
Let me show you a couple of gifts that contains body care, shower care, and bath care products. So to start off with, we have the Christmas soap. We've also got the season's greeting and also the deck of halls. You'll be finding our best-selling products in the deck of halls gift. It has Rub 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 Scrub, Yum Nug shower gel, and exclusively the Yum Nug lotion for you to enjoy.
If you want a Christmas gift for all shower products, this is the one for you. with 2 shower gels, rose jam, let's celebrate, along with the Red Soap, our best-selling scrubby body butter, and Sweet Wild Orange hand balm. 2 more treats for you to enjoy from Snow Fairy. Little Snow Fairy gift with the Snow Fairy bath bomb and mini Snow Fairy bubble bar, along with the Snow Fairy gift, which includes the Snow Fairy shower gel, Snow Fairy bubble bar, Snow Fairy bath bomb, and lotion. So, whether you're gifting for a Snow Fairy dreamer, a bath bomb artist, gourmand lover, or someone who needs a bit of self-care,
There's always a Christmas gift waiting for them.